Hi class, it's Professor Fenlon. I wanted to go over this week's assignments. This week we are covering Chapter 3, Culture and Media. This week we'll be talking a bit about what culture is and how the media and different portrayals in the media, messages that we receive, affect society and affect individuals in society. For this week, you have a homework assignment due by Friday. And if you notice as the weeks go by, I'm going to um, push up the homework assignment that's due that week to the top. So when you open a homework assignments, you should be seeing the homework assignment that is due that week. You can still access homework assignments that you missed. They'll just be at the bottom. Okay, so prior weeks will be at the bottom. Current week will be at the top. So that is your homework assignment due Friday. And of course, there's also a discussion question this week that is based upon stereotypes that we see perpetuated in the media. This week, we have a little clip to watch about the character Apu in The Simpsons. Okay, so please read Chapter 2. There's no additional reading for this week. And again, if you have any questions at all, please reach out. Thanks for watching.